Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I want to show you this 2019 Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck. Give you a quick walk around of the outside of this boat. This boat has 0 hours. It's never been in the water or been used. No damage to it. It is a new boat. It has spent a significant amount of its life on the showroom floor. Has the docking lights, forward freshwater washdown, anchor storage, and beach boarding ladder up here in the bow. It does have the manual water sports tower with bimini. We have the SeaDek swim platform with the manual swim step. Once you use that swim step a time or two, you will never want to use that ladder. Huge lounge area here on the back, equipped with a place to store your sunglasses or cell phone and a cup holder, also a charging port. These seats do have a little kickstand that pops up to give you a more reclined, relaxed position. Transom walk-through with another shower here on the stern, fresh water. Cooler, that's right there back at the back of the boat as well. You have the dock swim step to get on and off the boat right here. You don't see this on very many yacht boats, but it is really a nice feature to enter and board the boat while you're parked at the dock. Check out this huge wraparound seating area on this boat. What a great conversation area. And look how versatile these seats are. Right now you've got two forward-facing captain's chairs. Quick, simple push down of the flip-up bolster in the seat. Now you have two rear-facing loungers, or just an extra seat to engage in the conversation area back here. This boat does have the Simrad dash. All your gauges for the MerCruiser will display right on that dash, also chart plotter, GPS. Trim tabs are located right here to the side. This boat does have the LED cockpit lighting and fusion stereo. Has the upgraded head with the port window. This is a pump out head as well. Walking you into the bow. Nice deep bow. Flip up armrests. Again, there's your beach boarding ladder. Appreciate y'all watching the video and let me take you through a walkthrough on this boat. See the window sticker for all the additional options that it has. It is very well equipped.